How to use Whatnot wallet? Want to keep track of your balance? Here's how to use the Whatnot wallet. First, open Whatnot and go to the Wallet tab. Here you will see your earnings, credits, and available balance. You can use these funds to shop directly on Whatnot or transfer them to your bank. You will also find transaction history here, which makes it easy to track sales and purchases. Keep an eye on your pending balance. It moves to available after orders are marked delivered. Do you prefer to spend your balance on more auctions or withdraw it? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Whatnot wallet. It's quick and easy. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.